Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Here comes our main watch again. Now let's open the box to have more details. First, we can got a manual book. We can see here it's a model of NF9188. It's a multifunctional military design. And this is our guarantee card. And then it's our watch today. Wow, it's a very big and heavy and cool black watch. Yes, it's very cool. And we can see from the manual book there are 5 functions for this model: normal mode, stopwatch mode, alert mode, countdown mode, and time in 2 places mode. Okay, if you want to know how to set every single mode, later I will make another video to teach you. Let's have a more detailed look at this watch. First, look here, the data about this watch. And we have a close look at the small windows on the dial. On the 10 o'clock position now, the number is working. It's a second window. And at 11 o'clock position, this window is the date window. And here is the weekly window. We can see now it is pointing to the Tuesday now. Wednesday, Thursday. Now here it's flexing. And at this bigger window is for the time display. And this is a very bright LED digital Quartz. And the movement we use is the Japanese circle movement. And press these buttons, we can see a very bright LED light. Isn't it? Try again. Very bright. And press this button, we can change different mode. Now this dial we can see is the normal mode. We can call it the time mode. And press. You can see this small window. SP means now it's in the stopwatch mode. And press this button again. Now it changed to the AL, means we are in the 11 o'clock position now. And TR, so this will come into the countdown mode. T2 means we come into the dual time display mode, and press again, we come back to the normal mode. Okay, there are 4 buttons. These small 4 buttons is for setting the single functions, and this bigger crown is for adjust the hands, the hour and the minute hands. And it says we have the very bright LED light. We also have the luminous coatings on the hands, the minutes and hour hands, and all the indices. Okay, now let's see the band. It's a very smooth and polished processed band. And this buckle, it's only one side to press this button to open the buckle. Yes, And then we can see the back case clearly here. It's a very nice pen. We use the high quality of the stainless steel to make this pen. This case diameter is a little bigger and heavy, but I will try to on my wrist. And this is the watch. Okay, actually we have 5 o'clock of this model. I will show you later. Okay, welcome back. Here it's the all 5 colors. Just now I've shown you this black color, a very cool color. And the next one is the blue combined the silver color. Wow, it's a very fashion blue. And we'll try this button to turn on the light. And try to press this button to change different mode. And the 4 small button is silver, but the bigger crown is the same color as the bezel blue. And the pen, it's a color construct pen. Open the buckle here. It's very nice, a military design watch. Do you like this color? This is the best sell in our store, this blue color. Okay, the next color is the silver combined the black color. The pen is foot silver. Buckle. The case is silver. Only the bezels and the dial is the black, but the small window here is white too. LED light. And change different modes. Open the code. Tried it on my wrist. Okay, here is the white colors on my wrist. I think this color is very suitable for young guys. It's very cool and easy to match your outfit. Okay, the next color is the coffee one. The pen is coffee. The bezel is coffee too, and the same as the crown. But the case is the rose gold. And the small window button is yellow, light yellow. The color of the pen is very nice. Trust me, it's very nice. Open the bottle. Okay, the last one is the gold one. It's a very bright gold color. The band is gold, the bezels, and the case, and the crown, and the small window. It's all gold color. Only the dial is a little light brown color. And the buckle is a gold color too. And tried it. Yeah, it's very shining, and you will be the focus in the crown. I think it's very nice color. Okay, this is all colors for today. If you want to see the review about others model, just let me know and give me the message. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.